It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. I am late. Oh my gosh, we had another power outage today. This was a weird one. The power was surging for like 3 seconds. I'm like, we're gonna blow the refrigerator, and then it went out for a while. It's back on, thankfully, so now I can do my videos. I got a couple of good videos for you guys tonight. I made something. We're going to talk about this. I have a box to unbox from Bath & Body Works. And then in my next video, we're going to talk about the wallflower sale. And I'm going to demo out the bat. And then I got a candle review. So we got a couple of good things happening tonight. So first of all, I went grocery shopping today. Oh my gosh, I've not been grocery shopping. It feels like in like 2 weeks. I mean, I've been to, you know, when you go to the grocery store and you buy like a couple of things, but you're not doing like serious grocery shopping. I did serious grocery shopping today and I was there for like 2 hours. I went to a couple of different stores. I spent way too much money. But one of the stores I went to in Cleveland here, we have a discount store called Mark's. It's like a grocery store. And they have like closeouts, really cool stuff. And I bought some Biscotti. My husband loves the Noni's Biscotti. And I usually put them like on my coffee bar. And I've got my candle holder here. Look at this, my spider candle holder. And I didn't have a candle in it. And I'm like, you know what? Check that out. If you want to have like a really cool coffee bar decor, grab a snack type of thing. Yeah, I thought this was like the coolest thing ever. Because it's weird. Sometimes the Bath & Body Works candle holders, you put a candle in, but then you can't see the candle through the holder. And I'm like, you know what? This looks really hot, and it's a great way to have a Halloween snack. So I thought that was pretty exciting. My husband's excited because now he gets biscotti. So that was my my cool thing for today. Now I'm gonna dig into my box. I think this might be my squirrel. I'm like, I don't know. Let me see here. I think this is my candle haul. Yes, we have some candles and oh my goodness. I got this. Let me get rid of this. Okay, I'm gonna try and get rid of this. Oh my gosh, my floor is all wet. I had a paper cup and I was drinking water. It's leaking. I'm like, what the heck is going on today, you guys? Everything is just like out of order. I'm like, where's the moon cycle right now? So, okay, I think this is my squirrel. It doesn't look very big though. Look at this. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna see this. What is in here? I did not see this in the store yet. I'm gonna open this up and it's pretty tiny, but I hope I like it. Is this the flocked squirrel? I think it might be. Yes. It's actually cute. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's actually totally adorable. Look at this. I gotta think of a name for my squirrel, and the only thing I can think of right now is Squirrely, which is like so unoriginal. Look at this. It's totally cute. Okay, so yay, I got a squirrel. Okay, so I also got check it out. I love this. This is the mushroom. Does this light up or do anything? It's the mushroom with the snail on top. This is the car fragrance. You know, I am terrible. I've been collecting these like crazy. I just like them. They're cute. I don't, use them like, I don't change them out that much, but I like to collect them. They're super cute. So I got that one. And then I got 4 candles. Let's see what candles I got, you guys. Pumpkin Peanut Brittle. I got the online exclusive. I got to review Pumpkin Peanut Brittle this year. Oh, yeah. This is good. Look at the lid on this. Pumpkin Peanut Brittle. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so I'm excited. I got that one. Next up, I got, let me see here. Candle number 2. Oh, leaves. I got leaves, you guys. I'm going to do a body care candle comparison. What is wrong with me? I don't like it as much in the candle. It's like too strong, but the body care, that dry down, I love. Oh my gosh, I'm going to burn this. Whoa, this is like one of Bath & Body Works' strongest candles ever made. A lot of people love it though. I love the body care. I don't know. It's weird. It's a Scooby-Doo mystery. Cinnamon stick. Oh my gosh, you guys. Cinnamon stick. Oh, this one is so good. Oh, yes. I love this one so much. Cinnamon, clove bud, and nutmeg. I love the jar. It's kind of Christmassy, but I'm digging this one. Okay, cinnamon stick. And then the final one I got is, open this one up. We'll get rid of the box. Oh, I get Fireside. I love Fireside. Fireside is amazing. This was the buy two, get two free sale with the 20% off. This came fast. Oh my gosh. I've said this before. This smells like Santa Claus's house. Oh, I love Fireside. Fireside is good. It's got a little Halloween vibe. It's got a little bit of a Christmassy vibe going on. Smoked cedar, fresh clove bud, and warm embers. So I got a nice mix. I got some spicy ones, and I got a foodie one, and I got my cute little squirrel here. I love this so much. Look at that. Pumpkin peanut brittle. Might be the candle for Squirrely. I love what they did with the glitter, though. That is amazing. So anyway, awesome haul, and I'm pretty excited about my Halloween snack, my snack bin. Anyway, I will see you guys in a few. We are going to talk about the wallflower sale. Is it a good deal? I'll see you guys in a few. Bye-bye.